Welcome to Computics Technologies. In the Solidity programming language, SafeMath refers to a set of functions and libraries that are designed to help prevent common errors in arithmetic operations, such as overflow or underflow. These libraries provide a way to perform arithmetic operations in a way that is more robust and less prone to bugs, by automatically checking for overflow and underflow conditions and throwing an exception in the case that they occur. This helps to ensure that smart contracts that use these libraries will not suffer from unexpected errors or vulnerabilities caused by arithmetic bugs. For example, the SafeMath library provides a set of functions for performing basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division that automatically check for overflow and underflow conditions, while the math library provided by the Solidity standard library does not. Let's just write a simple smart contract to implement SafeMath. SafeMath does not work on Solidity compiler versions less than 0.8, it only works on versions above 0.8. Import SafeMath library from GitHub repository. Write two simple functions of add and subtraction. The contract defines the two functions add and subtract that uses the library functions .add and .sub for performing the arithmetic operations respectively. Deploy the smart contract. Now just input values in both fields. As you can see, it added the numbers successfully. Let's do the subtraction now. As you can see, it returns an error just because the second value is bigger than the first one, and that's the function of SafeMath. Now it subtract numbers successfully. It is advisable to use such libraries and functions when performing arithmetic operations to help secure your contract.